Crazy journeys with Didi, spreading VLOGMAS cheer.
Over the next 90 minutes or so, is to put your minds at ease, even if only temporarily, by removing you from the hustle and bustle that often permeates the holidays. We hope to put you in the spirit of the season with some holiday-themed selections performed in a more traditional style, while also offering a few with a slightly different flair. After intermission, we'll hear from Director Mike Fisk, make a special presentation to a band member, recognize a few other band members, and eventually introduce some wonderful guest vocalists. And then we'll see just how talented all of you are in this theater with a theater-wide sing-along. Sound good?
Yeah!
Let's get this party started. The Latin hymn we know as O Come All Ye Faithful was used in France and England as long ago as 1797. It invites all believers to come to Bethlehem to worship the newborn Savior. Claude T. Smith, a French horn player who performed in an army band, arranged this piece. Please welcome musical director Mike Fisk to the podium to conduct Symphonic Prelude to Adeste Fidelis.
journeys with Didi, spreading VLOGMAS cheer.